every opportunity he can get to drive my car, so he's gonna move it to wash it, but he really wants to drive it.
That's a nice car.
Like how it drives?
Yeah, drives really good. I like it better in white actually. Looks really nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You have to take your hands out of your pocket.
Why?
Because I can't measure it right.
Okay.
Put your hands like this. Move. Your head has to be straight.
Sometimes you sweat cold. That happened to me.
I'm gonna measure something and I'm gonna tell everybody exactly how small your genital is, okay?
Oh, don't worry, it's nothing wrong.
That works so much.
G63 2021 full Brabus Wide Star kit, which includes the front bumper, rear bumper, the wide flares, all the lighting. We also got the carbon fiber hood and the rear trunk spare delete in carbon fiber. This customer opted to not do the roof spoilers, so nothing on the roof, super clean look. We also did a custom set of wheels. They're very aggressive for the wide body, of course. Everything is factory color matched, so no wrap work on this. Super clean. We also did some interior stuff in there, Brabus door pins, Brabus door sills that light up. So really cool stuff. A super clean Brabus G63 Wide Star.
And now it matches your hair. See? Stick back.
I need to cut my hair.
Looks good. You look like Blanca from Street Fighter. Search up Blanca from Street Fighter. Like, put his picture and them together. This is a very special car. I've driven one of these before. Just around the block. It felt fast. I was very scared to punch it, but yeah, I did punch it just a little bit. And this thing is it's just a different. It's just in a different world. Complete different car than any other car, and it's very expensive.
Alright, so we got this Bugatti Veyron here. One of my good buddies bought it a few months ago. As you guys already know, changing tires on this is a problem. We've done it before, but it's very annoying to deal with it. So we're putting aftermarket wheels on it right now. HRE 501 Retro Series wheels. It's going to be really cool. 21, 22, so it's going to be a little bit bigger than factory too. You know, he's not driving 200 plus miles per hour, so he doesn't really care about that factor. But yeah, he just wants to look good, and he's able to put mileage on it and drive the car.
I'm gonna ask you guys this question. How much do you guys think a set of wheels and tires are on this Bugatti? This exact set here. Wheels and tires, 4 of them on this Bugatti. Price-wise, retail. What do you guys think? Let's see who can get this right.
They're just gonna look it up.
Should we just say the price?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so never mind, because yeah, you guys are gonna probably just look it up. So a set of wheels and tires on this car is $20,000. Yes, it's $42,000 for the set. For 4 tires, $42,000. It's about $10,000 a tire.
So even you got it wrong.
So yeah, it's basically double of what I said, and that's not the wheels. No wheels. That's just tires. So $42,000 only for 4 tires on this Bugatti. You can literally buy 4 used good Toyota Camrys in good condition. Lamborghini Aventador. We are done with this car. It's really cold today, so it does make a difference in tire pressures. It does go down a little bit when it's cold. So we're adjusting the tire pressures real quick. I'm gonna take this car right back out and give it to Mr. Mo Shalizi's assistant. Hopefully he doesn't crash the car. Yeah, so if you guys remember last time, he did get pulled over in the McLaren.
What a stupid question. Which one will you pick?
Well, this, but you're the BMW guy. Urus or this car?
I would probably take this one just because it's like a unique car, you know. It's a crazy build. It looks nice.
5 Uruses.
But Urus has wide body too.
There's a wide body. This is a real one. That's a fake one. This is a real one.
Yeah, this looks pretty cool. It's different. Yeah. It's one of a kind.
Widebody. The Widebody is from Mexico. Tijuana.
Don't say nothing about Tijuana, okay? Nothing wrong about Tijuana.
Yeah, he just said your body kit's from Tijuana.
Hurry up! No gasoline, huh?
Where's your shirt?
I got it.
It's a new shirt I gave you. Why are you not wearing it?
I got it. You going to put him on? I put him on now?
No, it's too late.
Never is late. Nunca es tarde, homie.
That was the mission. Jesus.
It's the driveway.
I'm literally thinking about getting in and out of the gas station.
Go sideways as much as you can.
Alright. Thanks.
It closed everything already. He knew what he was doing. Maybe he deleted the history.
He's watching porno.
He deleted his history every day. He erased the history fast enough today. Let's talk about our new shirt. This is our March limited t-shirt. It has the blacked out Rolls-Royce Cullinan on 26-inch RDB wheels. Has the RDB in the front, of course. It comes with an air freshener. And then it actually comes with stickers too, so you get a back view and a front view. And also we have online released a monthly subscription, which basically you subscribe and every month we send you the limited shirt in your size before it sells out. You have first dibs. You don't have to worry about it. It's automatically sent to you every month.
Hey, Vic. And Spanish.
This shirt has nothing to do with you. This is limited edition. I gave you another shirt. You're not even wearing it.
Español. Mira, tenemos esta nueva camiseta que ha llegado. Mira. Antes de que se acabe, tiene que ordenarla. Porque si se acaban, nosotros no la llevamos.
Every order that you guys place online gets this VIP ticket to our 0 to 60 merch collection that is coming out on April 16. We're dropping a new collection of shirts and
Let me bring my
accessories.
shirt.
Whatever you order, you're gonna get this lanyard. Comes free with every order when you order right now, and this little postcard, 0 to 60, April 16. Just finished up this Bugatti Veyron. This one is a clean spec, red on black. We just threw on the HRE 501s. If you guys have seen a lot of our previous episodes, this was on the previous white Bugatti Veyron. That customer sold the car, had these wheels, so we went ahead and sold it to this customer. And we got a new set of Pirelli tires. The car is in handling mode right now, so it's pretty low. As you can see, the front tire is almost tucking. This is also a 21-22 configuration, so it's an inch bigger than factory spec. Again, this car is not going to be driven over 200 miles per hour or whatever. It's a LA driven car, more of cruising, going out, that kind of thing. So this will do perfectly fine. He's able to keep his stock wheels and tires without dismounting them, keep them safe. Those things are worth a lot of money. Obviously, changing tires costs over 36 grand. So he's not going to be doing that. Instead, he spent a fraction of that and he got HREs on there. And it looks great. The only thing I think throwing it off now is that orange reflector. Customer didn't want to do anything else to the car, but I think I'm gonna probably wrap that reflector black for him just because it's easy and he could remove it and it'll look better. So inside is matching the outside with all the red and blacks. Very low mileage, about 1,000 miles. So very, very low mileage Veyron, which is great obviously for this car. You're probably wondering what's in my lap. This is a pretty impressive JBL boombox speaker because this car does not have Bluetooth. So for now, the customer is using this boombox until we get him the Bluetooth module, which is a little tough to get, but we're gonna get that for him. So JBL, you can send us some sponsorship money, that'd be nice.